Hello students. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at quantifiers, how many, and after that, how many and how much. Okay. But before we look at quantifiers, we are going to look at something called countable and uncountable nouns. Now, what are countable nouns? Countable nouns are the names of people or things that we can count. Example, when I say book, I can say I have 4 books or I have 5 books, right? Or I have 4 apples. But can I say I have 4 milk or 4 sugar? No. So we talk about quantity here, right? So that's what our uncountable nouns are. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which we cannot count. Okay, they mainly talk about substances and abstract things. So for countable nouns, we have plural forms, but for uncountable nouns, we do not have plural forms. I can say books, but I can't say milks. In similar way, I can use my articles and with countable nouns, but with uncountables, I cannot use a or an. Okay, because they are uncountable. But I can say I have 4 glass of milk. Okay, because I'm saying 4 glass is uncountable. Sorry, glass is countable. So I can say I have 4 glasses of milk. Okay, let's move to the next part. Now, similar way, we have how much and how many. So remember, how many is used with countables and how much is used with uncountables. So example, how much crime is there in your city? So crime is something that I cannot count. And how many restaurants are there in your city? Restaurants are something that I can count. That is how we use them. Okay. So, and to answer these questions, with countable and uncountable, I can use both a lot or none. With uncountable, I will say a little or much. And with countable, I will say a few and a many. Okay. That is how I will use. Now let us look at the examples given in the book. Are there many restaurants? Yes, there are a lot. Yes, there are a few. No, there are not many. Or there are not any. Or no, there are none. Okay. And with uncountable, I will say or non-countable. Is there much crime? I can say yes, there is a lot. Yes, there is a little. No, there is not much. Or no, there isn't any. Or no, there is none. How many restaurants are there? There are 10 or 12. How much crime is there? There is a lot of street crime. Okay, that is how I can answer these questions. Let me know if you have any questions. You can reach out to me anytime. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.